Hi, this is Katina, and I'm going to show you how to play the second octave of the chromatic scale, starting on E. So, keeping your fingers curved and close, we're now starting on this E right here. This is going over the break, so it'll be a little bit more advanced than the beginning chromatic scale, which is no easy feat on its own because you're starting way down here and you have to be able to cover all these holes so that you don't have any squeaks. So, we have E, F natural with your thumb. Moving to the side right here, you have the bottom two keys for F sharp. Don't flip to play the F sharp in the front. It will slow you down and it's sloppy and you're most likely going to get a G in between there. So you have a new fingering, F to F sharp. Makes a very nice trill, fun to play. We're going to use it. So you have E, F, F sharp on the side, open G. Even though you don't have any fingers down on the clarinet, keep them close by. And then we're going to land on the G sharp. So we're just going to do 5 notes at a time. Right here on the side. Then you're going to do G sharp right there. A sharp, which is your B flat. This is why we keep our fingers close. So you can drop to a B natural, which is this pinky right here. So all fingers down. Keep this finger down for C, and then B natural right there. So all you have to do is lift up that for a C. Let me show you the other side. Staying on your C, you're going to put this finger down. Not that, that's B. This one right here is C sharp. Lift up for the C sharp. If you keep it there, which you technically can do, I've seen a lot of people get tangled up that way. So get used to the rhythm in your fingers of going from C, C sharp, D. Okay, so no pinkies down for that one. All fingers down here. D sharp, and then land on that E natural. Going down. It's a lot easier to keep your fingers close by going down. We're going to tongue going down. That's how we do it in Virginia, in District 12 as well. So we've got E, E flat, D, D flat, C. C, B, B flat. So it's your index finger here. Use the side of your finger, not the pad. And then B flat, A, and then we'll stop on the A flat right there on the side. So, on your A flat, you have G. G flat is the same as F sharp, so you have your thumb down and the bottom two right here for your G flat. Lift them up for F. You're going to land on the E. All together. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below, and don't forget to subscribe.